Namaskara. I am Dr. Suhasini Inamdar, lead obstetrician and gynecologist, Motherhood Hospital, Indiranagar. There are so many gynae conditions which affect the women of fertile age group. These conditions make their lives miserable, and especially when they are menstruating. Those days they become so very bad that they have to take off from their work. Their productivity goes down and they feel lot of agony because of this condition. Almost 50% of women suffering from this condition have lot of difficulty in conceiving. We see that every 10 women if we take, out of that one will have this condition. This condition is very difficult to diagnose because by the time we reach a diagnosis, it's almost 7 to 10 years. And we have seen that almost 64 to 68% number of women are misdiagnosed. They are misdiagnosed with something else rather than this condition. So what is this condition? Is it some type of cancer? Is it? No, it is not any cancer. It is a condition which is called endometriosis. And this endometriosis is a sleeping demon. It is sleeping there just to get up and create havoc inside your organs wherever this is and create lot of upheaval in your day-to-day living and your otherwise life. So let us see what is endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition wherein we have the endometrium growing in other places other than its native location. So what is the normal position of endometrium? Normally the endometrium is present inside the uterus as the lining of uterus, which a lady would shed every month during menstruation. In endometriosis, what happens? The endometrium is growing elsewhere other than the inner lining of the uterus. It can be present in the myometrium, which is the musculature of the uterus. It can be present on the surface of the uterus. It can be there on the ovaries, tubes, the pelvic wall, the bladder, the food pipes, which is colon or rectum, the uterosacral ligaments, which are the ligaments which are holding uterus onto the back of the spine, and any other places as far as the scars, which are basically scars of any surgeries in a woman, like a cesarean scar or a laparoscopy scar. So when this tissue is present other than the native location, which is the endometrial lining of the uterus, it will be menstruating every month along with the menstruation which is happening inside the uterus. So what happens when it starts bleeding in the other areas? It will make that area scarred, inflamed, and every month the bleeding causes lot of pain during these 4-5 days. The pain is so severe, normal whatever medication we give for the pain relief does not work. So this was the small info about what is endometriosis and what does it do. Now in India we have seen that certain geographical locations are more prone for endometriosis. So ladies coming from Bengal, Orissa, coastal Karnataka, coastal Andhra and coastal Tamil Nadu are very prone for endometriosis. The reason behind this we really don't know, but when we have taken out the data and collected and gathered it and found out that where the things are happening, where the maximum surgeries are being done, where the maximum medication has been given for endometriosis, there we found out that these are the locations geography wise endometriosis is very, very prevalent.